You like to pull me apart. Do you love me? Do you not? Either way, you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super blue. Baby, I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super blue. Drove into the desert to look at the stars. Wonder where we're going and where we are. Tell me why a flower, will he break my heart? Did we stop growing cause it got too hard? You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Forget me, forget me not. Either way, you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super blue. Baby, I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you, acting like a fool. I'm on the other side, you're like a full moon. And I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned. I used to be chill, now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space, I need you here by my side. You make me sweat in the coldest of nights, yeah. I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel.
I said that I would come. She said that she would wait 1,000 miles and home's too far away. I hope that I was right. She knew that she was wrong, and the door was flung wide open from the anger of the storm. And these eyes that stay wide open, and the dreams too hard to find when you're away. I walked into the room, there wasn't much to say. If the year gone by, you think it's yesterday. And I don't even care what you organize, 'cause I played this game so long, and I still can't win the prize. And these eyes are stay wide open, and the dreams too hard to find when you're away. I'm finding a
Thank you for watching. I know it's been a long journey for both of us, and if you did like, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Until next time, be happy, be safe, and ride safe. Take care.